Hi, hello, welcome and welcome back to yet another episode on your favorite Little Slav YouTube channel. So today in this video, we're going to see the difference between various regular expression extractor. So what is a regular expression extractor and why do we use it? And we will see the difference, the different types of WebReg save param. So in fact, you have WebReg save param is used to correlate. But then why do we need to have multiple WebReg save param? Why do we need to have multiple ways of doing it? And what are all the differences? What are the similarities? And how do they help you in terms of your scripting? So we will see all this in this video, and in fact this is one of the topic which I have discussed during the load runner training that happened this Sunday, and I'm in fact planning for another session in the upcoming weeks. So if you're interested, please do comment in the comment section. You can reach out to me in our WhatsApp channel as well, or you can, if you're watching this in the LinkedIn, you can even connect me through LinkedIn. I'm happy to share the knowledge. And yeah, so coming back to this particular topic, so when I was explaining this during the training, so there are there are like several ways of WebRed save param. I can even show that to you. Let me just close this and go to the view and then the steps toolbox. So this will get me all the functions in the load runner. So when I search for web underscore bridge, you can see we have got WebRed save param, we have got WebRed save param attribute, we have got WebRed save param ex, WebRed save param JSON, regular expression XPath. So in this video, we're going to see the difference between the ex and the WebRed save param. Just this ex WebRed save param ex, which is the regular expression technique, which registers the request to save the dynamic data that is located between specific boundaries. So when I say boundaries, it is in between the left boundary and the right boundary, and the data is saved to a parameter. On the other hand, we do have the WebRed save param, and it is actually a deprecated method, but it's still being used. And WebRed save param ex or WebRed save param XPath is being used, but still, again, this, since they say it is deprecated, but again, this is the most common one that is being used in load runner. But yeah, let's see. I mean, like, you will all get these when you keep on discussing and when you keep on practicing it. And again, this could be some of the potential interview questions. So please do watch this entire video, and if you have any questions, please do reach out to me. And before I move on to this video, this is me, Hasan Shanmugam. We welcome you all to our Little Slav YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and please do like this video if you like this video, and then drop your comments, your feedback in the comment section. Yeah, let's now go back to the video. So firstly, the difference. So what is the difference? Why do we have to use a WebRed save param ex or WebRed save param? So let me just bring this WebRed save param here. Let me just open it and I can show you what happens here. So the WebRed save param has all these ways to add the, or all these ways to correlate to extract the value. So firstly, you'll give the left boundary, sorry, the parameter name. So for example, in this case, I'm giving as let me give it as like token, and then you'll give the left boundary, and when you click on this particular box which is at the end, you can even give the parameter name as well. Say for example, if you have a list of left boundaries, you can even use it here, and you can just add them here. And if you have just only one left boundary, it's going to be a static one, you can use this. And if you find it could be a set of a dynamic value, then even you can add that to the parameters. And then you do have 4 different options. One is you select whether it's a match case or it is a binary data, or you can use hash for any digit. So if you want to replace it through hash, you can for any digit you can use hash symbol. And if you want to use it for any wildcard, for example, if you want to use this particular symbol as a wildcard for all the alphanumeric characters, or if you want it to use for lowercase, or if you want to use for uppercase. So in fact, they say it's deprecated, but still, see, it is actually having a lot of options for you. And then again, same case for right boundary. So given your right boundary, it will help you to collate, or it will help you to extract the value between the left boundary and your right boundary. And again, same applies here. You can even use a parameter, and then you can use a binary data. You can use hash symbol for any digit, and you can use this symbol for any wildcard for lowercase, uppercase characters. And then comes the important part, which is the instance. So when it comes to instance, you can actually choose which instance you want to choose. When I say instance, for example, in this example, I can even show you here. So in this example, I have to select different bank account numbers. And you can see here the ordinal I have chosen is 1, which is I am going to choose the first bank account number. And here you can choose, here you can see I have chosen the second bank account number. Again, the left boundary, the right boundary, everything is same. Even the search filters, the scope is also same, but still the instance, which is the ordinal. So in this case, ordinal, but in in terms of Webridge Safe Param, it is the ORD. The ORD is the ordinal stands here. So when I give the number, that instance will be selected, and if it is not found, what are you going to return? Whether it is going to be an error or whether it is going to be a warning. And also you can save the length of the value that you're going to extract, and if you want to ignore redirections, you can select it. And if you want to use in relative frame ID, you can pick this here, and if you want to search in the body or the headers or no resource, you can choose it here. And then you have the save offset, where you can save this offset value. So this is all about the WebBridge Safe Param. What about the WebBridge Safe Param EX? What is the difference? When I open the WebBridge Safe Param EX, you can find the difference here. So I'm giving the parameter name the same way which I give for the WebBridge Safe Param, and then I'm going to give the left boundary, and even I have the same option. That's one similar thing. So I can use the parameter value, and then match case, binary data, and okay, and match case and binary data are the similarities which you see with WebBridge Safe Param and WebBridge Safe Param EX, but the regular expression is not something which you can find in WebBridge Safe Param. So if I open the WebBridge Safe Param again, so you can see I do not have any option to use any regular expressions. So if you have any regular expressions, if you want to use any advanced regular expressions or any complex regular expressions, you can very well use it in the WebBridge Safe Param EX. So that is the major difference between WebBridge Safe Param and WebBridge Safe Param EX. And then we have the DEFs, where you can give any, if you have any DFE values, you can give the DFE values. And ordinal. Ordinal is the instance, the same thing what we have seen for WebBridge Safe Param. You can give the ordinal. So this is a similar one, and then you have the save offset and you have save length. So all these are similar attributes when it comes to WebBridge Safe Param to WebBridge Safe Param EX. And if you noticed, there was an option like what if the value is not found, or what if the text is not found, it will show no value or error. So here you can even give it as like that. So one, if the text is not found, the default is going to be the error. And then another interesting part here is you have the scope. So if you want to select in the body, yes, you can do it. If you want to select in the headers, yes, you can do it. If you want to select in cookies, you can do it in WebBridge Safe Param EX, but this is not available in WebBridge Safe Param. So let me open, I can even show you. So in WebBridge Safe Param, the searching only has body and the headers, but the WebBridge Safe Param EX has scope as body, headers, cookies, and all. So you can search the value anywhere inside your request. And then you do have option to give the request URL, and then the content type. So you can have this. So all these options, the request URL, the content type, were not available in the WebBridge Safe Param, but the frame ID and the ignore redirections were available in the WebBridge Safe Param. So these are the differences and these are the similarities which you can find between these WebBridge Safe Param, the way where you can extract the value. So I believe this video will be very useful to you in your interview and while you are creating your WebBridge Safe Param EX, because you know now how to use and when to use the WebBridge Safe Param EX. For example, if you want to get the value in different scope, you can use this. And if you really want to use a regular expressions rather than using the text, rather than using the ordinary left boundary and right boundary, you can actually use the regular expressions as well here. So I believe this video would be very useful to you. So until I meet you in our next video, It's bye bye from Shanmugam and your favorite Telso YouTube channel. Take care and bye bye.